Alright, this is our last morning at the Dhakpo Monastery in Kulu. It's raining, but it's still gorgeous. It's about 7:30 in the morning, which means it's about 8 o'clock back home on the 11th. I'm gonna walk down and get morning chai. Oh, there's Emily washing her hair. Good morning, Emily.
Good morning, how are you?
Good. Gonna go get chai.
Oh, I would kill for a salad.
This is our mess tent. I'm gonna go in and get some chai.
Oh yeah, yes.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Brad. How you doing?
Good. I'm taking a video of the mess tent.
Oh, good, okay.
This is the path to chai.
Did you make it?
Oh, look, there it is. These are there's chai, hot water, and milk for tea. See this? This is the chai. So this is pouring a perfect cup of chai. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay, that's our typical morning. We'll have breakfast here about 8 o'clock.